Good morning, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you're on YouTube. First of all, apologies for looking like absolute garbage. It's been a very busy day, but everything is now done. So this is just a very quick rundown of what we've done with this 1985 ABI Supreme, and just brought it a little bit more up to date, made it more comfortable for our accommodation when we're racing. So first things first, we put a nice new head unit. It's only an extremely cheap one, but it does the job. So we've got some decent sound. Of course, the LED light, that's now got all the strips in place to baffle that off so you don't see the LEDs. And we've got a nice pair of Pioneer speakers, replacing the absolutely horrific ones that were in there. Now this, there was a battery light just here which made a bit of a mess of the woodwork, so I think I'm going to put a clock there, but any other suggestions do let me know. So one of the things that was done with this caravan in the past, these worktops have been replaced with MDF, but they're too big to hold back, so nothing more glamorous than a standard screw fix hatch. So that stays open now. The water system's been tested. Rather depressingly, the water flow rate is actually better than it is at home, which is a bit annoying, but there you go. The pump is actually really decent. Now this worktop always did stay wide back. Gone through and checked the gas, that's okay, and I've changed for a regulator that has a level gauge on it as well, so there's no guessing. Of course, we've got the LED under here as well. I've now finished the LED install across here, so we have a nice spot-free LEDs, and I've made a little cage just out of some of the leftover trim just to stop these canisters just flying about on the road. So that's a nice little help there. Nothing's really changed in toilet room. It is what it is. It's a room with a sink and a chemical toilet, you know, there's not much there at all. I've gone through the electrical system, tested it all for safety, and I've put a modified draining bowl screwed down in here, and that means that all my plates, bowls, things like that, again, aren't going to fly around. And I've also now put 1, 2, 3 catches, so this cupboard is locked when it's locked. So there you go, a few little bits that have brought it up to date. I've gone through, cleaned the tail lights. Now one thing people often overlook with tail lights is that they actually fill up with, they're not perfectly sealed, they fill up with road dirt. And the tail lights in particular on this caravan were really dim. So I put new bulbs in it, cleaned the bulb holders, and actually cleaned the light lenses themselves and give them a coat of water glue. Now, bright as the day is long. So there you go, that's it, everything's ready to go. Now it's time now to get over to Santa Pod. The bike's also ready. We are racing. If you like these videos, hit the like and subscribe button. Do check out my other channel, Philo's Garage, as well. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.